So you're transitioning to the next part of your life and you need answers. You need to know what to do for your mortgage. That's your current mortgage. Can you alter it? Or your next mortgage? What you're going to do. Divorce attorneys and mediators, collaborative divorce specialists, they are not mortgage professionals. They are also not divorce lending association members. They will have you negotiating and fighting for solutions that aren't even available to you. They don't underwrite files. They don't study guidelines. They don't get loans approved by Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, the FHA, the VA, other loans. They don't do that. That's what a certified divorce lending professional does. Okay. I've had my certification since 2022. I've been a mortgage lender altogether since 2017. We do ongoing CE, continuing ed every year for this. And first of all, we are a free resource. All right, I don't charge up front. Other divorce services are expensive, but I only get paid if you end up taking out and closing on a new home equity line of credit or refinance mortgage or purchase mortgage with me in the future. What my job to do is to deliver your strategic options for the next part of your life based on your financial reality and bring you your best post-divorce housing outcomes. There's an entire new set of mortgage guidelines, tax code, financial reality that only applies during the one time of your divorce. And so I'm going to be here to answer questions that you have like, can you assume this loan from your spouse if you're not on it? Can you just take him over it, get him off the loan if both of you are on it? Can you keep the rate? Can you keep the home? Can you transfer the rate? Can you afford this thing? Can you reduce your rate? Can you afford it? If not, what do you need to do to bridge the gap? There's a lot of problem solving in mortgage lending. It's not just, hey, let's quote you a rate today. There's a heck of a lot of back-end detailed analysis and work that we do on everybody. Documentation collection to make sure that we're putting you in the right mortgage product. Equity buyouts. If you want to buy out your spouse, take out a new loan amount that's large enough to cover the old loan plus half the remaining equity. If you want to stay in it. All these things are going to be what we help you with, plus plenty more items. And you cannot simply go to the bank after your divorce decree or marital separation agreement is written up and expect to get you into your best post-divorce housing outcomes. All right, that divorce decree is going to destroy your chances of qualifying for what you want versus if you came to a CBLP and got that correctly structured. So we help you structure that agreement in a way that helps you qualify for what you want, because your mortgage and housing outcomes are largely based upon what that agreement does to your finances. So what do we do here? We're going to vet the house for you. We're going to take a look at property ownership, see how that affects this mortgage or the next mortgage if you're going to close the current one out going forward. We're going to take a look at your income, the history of it, the likelihood of it to continue, how much it is, what is qualifiable income versus what is not. A lot of people think that all of their income is qualifiable. It does not mean it's qualifiable just because it's income. We're going to then look at your debt. I'm going to take a look at your credit report, which I can do a soft pull for now up front and make sure I understand what your credit score is and all your minimum monthly payments on your debt are, so that I'm properly evaluating your cash flow, making sure that you can take on a new mortgage product. And then I'm going to give you your detailed home equity solutions. Menu of services here, full mortgage planning, cash flow analysis, all the way down to what we're looking at. There's a lot of stuff here that your attorney could use from us that they would want, sharing of all the finances potentially with them, help them get you into something better. You're going to need this. All right. I'll tell you what, a lot of your attorneys out there, they're not going to even want you to talk to me, thinking that it's going to be harder to then close the book on this chapter of your transaction if you've got just another thing to think about. And you could then be writing something up for you that's not going to work for you, that you're not going to like, that you could have beaten. So I'm here for you. My cell phone contact info is here. You can email me. Again, I'm free to talk to. Even after I close the loan, you don't even specifically like pay me some set fee at the end of that. But you got to know what's available to you, and you got to know that before you go into negotiations. So it's best for you to contact me as early as possible. Even if you're later on in the process, still contact me. It doesn't matter. It's never too late. I can still always help at any point. But really, once you're doing your consultation with your attorney is really when you should talk to me and get involved before you really start hammering out an agreement with the other side. So my name is Ben, licensed in Virginia, Maryland, Texas right now. If you're not in one of those, I can match you with someone who is licensed in your state. And would love to help you out and help you find the best possible housing solution for you. Thank you.